Say you had a situation like this on your 2x4x6 puzzle. You can't really use an edge swapping algorithm or an edge parity swapping algorithm to fix something like this because you can't slice through this layer, and you can't slice through this layer either because of the interfering bandaging. There is a really simple way of handling it though. You can actually treat these like as these pieces as groups. Let's say this is a group, and like this is a group, this is a group, and this is a group of pieces, kind of like a 2x2. You can move them around relative to one another, and then slice through one of the layers that is actually available to you. So like say I wanted to do that. I have that layer available now. And this layer is already available to me to turn through, so I can fix that one directly right now. Right now it's in a simple swap. I can't do just one swap. I have to do a pair of them if I'm going to do this. I can create a 3-cycle or an actual pair swap. So I want to change the parity of that particular slice, which gives me a 3-cycle now. And I want to actually swap these two, and then these two, because I want this one to go here. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to use a sequence which is symmetrical, and it doesn't affect the back layer. So I can do it in either direction, and it doesn't matter which. You just basically have to remember what you did, and then undo it if it's not symmetrical. And rotate that. And I'm going to do the same thing again, or if I were doing something that's not symmetrical, I would undo it. And you could rotate that back then. And that actually fixes the one. Well, I could do the same thing with this one. Say I want to put it on the same layer. And I have the same situation as I did before. It's a swap. You can't do just one swap, so I'd rotate that 90 degrees. That fixes the parity of that particular slice, and I can actually just cycle them the exact same way. It's like this piece needs to go there, so I'll do that. Rotate 90 to put it out in the back, and I'd swap these two. Rotate back. You don't undo any setup moves you did in order to put them on the same slice. That's one way of handling that situation. It's really not what I do, but it's a simple way of doing it.